You might want to move your bike, that's all I'm saying. Shit. That's what I was thinking. Huh? Yeah, I know. Oh shit.
That's the scariest part right there.
I don't think I'm ready for this shit.
Alright, drag the front end of your bike towards you. And now the front brakes can go. Alright, now try and it on the get the front brake.
Problem is I can't get to it. Oh, this is being taped. Oh, gas, dude. Gas is leaking out everywhere. Oh my god, it's so flooded.
Oh, dude.
Okay, I got the front brake.
You got the front brake? Alright, now slowly release it so you can lock it down.
Okay, I got it. Yeah, I wasn't ready for that one.
Hey, it happens to everybody.
Fuck that.